Pretty hurts, shining light on whatever's worse. I remember my Barbie dolls like old friends that I have parted ways with. Their blonde hair, their blue eyes, their frozen smiles, their tiny little hands, plastic, plastic, plastic little friends. You're pretty if you're plastic. You're pretty if you're quiet. You're pretty if they say you're pretty. You're pretty if you're pretty if you're pretty if you say yes enough times. His hands were wandering, and I told him he should leave because it had gotten difficult to breathe with his mouth on mine. As I close the door, I hear him talking to his friend. He says, "I could have overlooked the chub if it weren't for the scars, goddamn." I do not cry. I must have heard him wrong. I do not eat for the next 2 days until I collapse in my grade 11 psychology course. The guy 2 seats back in my grade 12 math class says, "You'd make a good stripper if you lost a couple dozen pounds." I do not cry. I thank him. I throw up twice and I cut up half my shirts into crop tops. The girl next to me in the dentist's office asks me if I'm getting my teeth fixed too. I don't cry. I laugh. I do not smile properly for the next 5 months. The talent scout comes up to me after the show. "You're a little small for the mosh pit, aren't you?" Same guy saunters up after the show. "You've got an all-right voice, but you gotta lose some weight if you want to get signed by the good record labels." I do not cry. I thank him. I do not sing again until the scale hits 90. She told me I looked pretty with tears in my eyes. I have not cried in months. I do not know if this is why I feel like I'm the ugliest girl in an empty room. My best friend tells me I look beautiful, and I tell him to shut up. He leaves, and I cry. The nerdy girl in the movies had my hair, and I hated her. They straightened her hair for the happy ending, and I never understood why until I learned that this world doesn't approve of the kinks in the system. God, I loved my frizzy, brown, curly hair. I do not want to be a pretty girl. I am strong. I am feminist. I am woman. I don't need to prove myself. I am confident. I am the leader mentoring the young kids. I tell them they are not defined by the social constructs of beauty. I am not allowed to care about the social constructs of beauty. I am not allowed to admit it. But sometimes when I look in the mirror and I look at her, she whispers to me, ashamed, "I wanted to be beautiful." In the lowest of my drug addiction, I was told by an old friend that she had never seen me prettier because it really isn't pretty to be healthy. I can't understand why getting better made me ugly. I am finally comfortable in my own skin. Explaining to new lovers why the scars on my thighs spell out ugly if you look at them from the right angle is not easy, but they are scars, and scars mean you're healing.